Greetings minions, today we are looking at a game called Builder Simulator, which is basically you build buildings, you build like houses and stuff. This is probably going to be a lot of bits that are sped up. I'm attempting to only make one episode of this, one video of this, and I'm trying to fit the entire like 2-3 hour playthrough into it. It's actually a test, a play test. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of bits that are going to be sped up. I'm going to try to show all aspects of it, but you know, some bits take time, and therefore I'll probably start and then cut to when I finish in it. Right, so first thing we need to do is dig the ground out. So you hold down the scroll wheel and you can get your shovel, and then you can dig the ground out. You can just hold it down and walk along, or you can, you know, press multiple times if you wish. As a mouse saver, it's probably better just to hold it down and walk along. This would be for the foundations. That's that done. So go back to hands. Right, so now we need these formers. Press tab to bring the shop up, and we need these formworks. And I think we need we needed something like 170 of them or something. I can't quite remember. We'll get 150 for now. And then you press 1 and you just run along. Did I miss one? No. You just run along these, and this is done. Until we run out of formers, like that. So okay, we needed a few more. I think we might only need, we just get 30, easy. Might still need more. Oh yeah, look, another 10 would have done. There you go, another 10. Okay, now we have to buy these things. I don't know if we can sell these back to the shop. Can we sell them back? We can. Great. Foundations. Oh, buy. Oh, okay, right. So we need they're like 70 bucks each, and we don't sell them for much. We'll just get the same, which was about 170, I think. And then we hold these down and we basically just do the same thing. I think it missed one. Did miss one, and now. Oh, there we go. Oh, we got 79, so we needed less than 100. Let's sell all of them. The next thing we need to do is we need to mix concrete to go in now. Basically how we do that, we turn this to concrete like that and put it on auto. Wait. Huh, really interesting. Now you can put this under it, or you can click here, use the mouse wheel again and go like that, and then automatically put it under it. And then you tip this in. Like this. Now the more you keep this on, it uses $1 for every second it's on. So if you keep it running, it costs money. Right, I'm probably going to speed this bit up, so you'll see when it's all done.
Got a little Swedish there.
Okay, I can't seem to fill that little hole. I mean, this is a playtest, it could be bugs. There's already a bug that I've been using to do this quicker. I'm only using it for the video purposes. Right, basically, now we need to just dig out the floor. So this is how you just dig the floor out like this. We have to dig out the entire floor because we need to pour concrete in here too. Okay, right, now that that's done, for some reason it missed this little dot, and I have no idea why, but apparently this is complete. Now in here, we need to put sand. Now this does take a little while, so I'll probably get this sped up too. As you can see, we just have to chuck sand. And you can do it in the wheelbarrow, maybe, but you've still got to fill the wheelbarrow up. I don't know which would be quicker. Right, so we're on to the last few shovelfuls of sand. And then it'll be done. But that's the entire thing filled up with sand. So you can see that it changes. The next thing to put down is some rebar. So again, we go to the shop and we go to poured out. We need this grid reinforcements. I don't think we need many if I remember, but rightly we can sell it back. It's fine. But this is a very similar thing. Now this you can't just run over it and place it. You actually have to place each individual piece. There, we're left with 4. That's not bad. And then we can just sell them back to the shop again. Now we have to pour concrete onto it. So I already had one set up here. And it's just the same kind of thing. You pour concrete and now it'll fill up like a tile system. Pretty much like that. So I'll get that done. And I'll see you at the end when we're over there somewhere. Alright, we are coming up to the end of it. Right, that's that all done. Okay, now we need to put down a damp proofing. We go back to here, we go back to floor, we need this floor insulation. I think I'm just gonna buy 20, because I bought 100, god damn it. It's fine, because I don't remember how many is used when I already played it once. I've already done this once. But these are the same. You can't just hold them down and drop them in. You have to place these separately. There, we're done. Oh, we missed a piece. that all of it? Yeah, that's all of it. So now we can sell this again. And now we need to pour more concrete. As you can see now, it's going up into a step. Right, I'll get that done and I'll see you back over there as soon as I'm finished. Right, that last little bit to pour, we should have enough, I think. And we're done. Good job. Right, so as you can see, the next thing is we need to lay the bricks. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is we want to switch that back to cement, because we need cement, right? And we get some cement made. Now cement is sand, mortar, like sand, cement and water. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do. So you use shovel, you use sand into there until the bar is full. As you can see, it's like this. So, oh, you have to turn it on. Yeah, don't forget to turn it on. And then you do sand. And you put the sand in. Oh, we're all done. Then you put the cement till it's full, and then you put water in. And as you see, I'm putting the water in, the sand goes down. And then you put more sand in. And sometimes when you put more sand in, the cement will go back down again, or the water will go back down. See, you're saying, see it's complete. And then you basically just do the same thing. You put this under it, and you tip this out, like that. And then you don't even have to grab it, to be honest. You can actually just, if you do that and do that, right. Now you need the trowel, so you get the trowel like this, and you put a bit on the trowel. Now with the trowel, you have to click each of these individually. Okay, there is a mini game, and the mini game, you right click, and if you stop it in that white line, it will do the entire line, which speeds it up. See, right the way across. Right the way across, done. And the mini game's kind of cool because it speeds everything up. Now, as you can see, our trowel run out of cement because the wheelbarrow ran out of cement. Okay, so we have to make more. So basically, we just do sand again. Cement again. Water again. Top it up with sand. See, the cement went down, so did the water a little bit. Because you have to get it right, you have to get the mixture right. If you don't get the mixture right, then it won't work. There we go. Basically, keep doing that until you've got the entire thing done, the entire outside. Okay, now we need to buy bricks. So we want bearing walls, and we want these hollow blocks. Now, I know that we need a lot of these, so I'm just going to buy 1,000 straight out. We also need a lintel. I'll cut to that in a minute, like when we're done, but for now it's like this. Now with these bricks, there's no mini game, but you can just run along again. you can get an entire course done like that pretty quickly. There's one line of bricks done already. Guess what? Back to the cementing now. There's no cement here because this is where the door would be. We're at the third course now. We've done the third course, and as you can see, there's more gaps. These are the windows, so these are where your windows are going to be. So at this point, when you're doing your cementing, it's not really worth doing the mini game because it takes longer. So you can just, do this. Anyway, I'll see you back once, we're up to the next part. Alright, so we're back for another little tip. So when you get to the point of it being too tall to be able to see, you can use this wheel again and go to scaffolding. And then you can put some scaffolding up. Right click would rotate it to a direction you want. And left click will place it. And then you can left click on the stairs or on the ladders and it will put you up there. And there we go. Now we can get to the top part of the building. That's basically how you do that. Right, I will continue. Alright, so now we're at the stage where we need lintels. We need like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we need 14 lintels. That's these. So we'll grab 10, switch this back to 1, and get 14 of them. Jump down and we'll put them here. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, the one over the door. So what the lintels do is they spread the weight of whatever's above them to the sides rather than under here. This way you put them above windows and doors. Right, so now that's done, we just need to continue. Okay, so I've literally just finished the bricks and now you can see a new thing has popped up. This is the concrete roof. We basically go to the shop and we buy these concrete slabs. Now I don't think we need that many. I'm just going to buy 40 because they're pretty big. Basically just fill in the roof like this and we're done. So the next thing to do is these little icons have now popped up for the windows and one for the door. So we need doors and windows. 13 windows and 1 door. We go to doors and windows here. So we want one outside door and then we want 13 windows. We'll change this by 13 windows. So here's how the door goes. Oh, now that door doesn't look straight, does it? Right. So the way this works is you use the scroll wheel to adjust it. Okay, so we need to adjust it this way and then green. And there we go. Okay. And then the same with the windows. So with the windows we need to adjust them until they're green. And then once they're done, okay, you use your scroll wheel, you go to your drill driver because you need to screw them in. Now windows have 6 screws, the door has 4. I think this is the last one, yeah, this is the last window. So that's all the windows screwed in, we don't need the drill anymore. Now, what we do have to do though, is you can see there's more orange things, these are shims. and we have to put these little shims in. And if we put the shims in, now the door is complete and we can open and close the door. We have to do the same with the windows. Okay, last window again. So once this is done, you'll now notice that there are window cells we have to do, which are the same way. You just use the scroll wheel to get them to be green. And we actually have to do the inside and the outside of these. I had to run down and grab the door. As I was saying, there's lots of things that we haven't done yet. We haven't put any pipe work in, we haven't put any electricals in. I don't know if this is a thing yet, because it's not in the technical preview. I think the technical preview was just to see what sort of systems it would run on, for instance. Okay, so that's all the windows and stuff done. So as you can see, new stuff's appeared. Okay, so these are the partition walls on the inside. So what we now need to do is we want partition walls, and we want some of these. So we'll grab, I don't know, let's grab 30 of these. Okay, and we'll put these down. So like, okay, it doesn't go on that one, but we do want it on this one. Like that, right? And as you can see, they now need screwing in. Okay, it's a little hard to see when the nails, like the screws, are black and the thing's black too. The rail is black too. Now we have these vertical partitions to put in. Yeah, that's that done. Right, let's clear our inventory because we don't need any of this now. So we'll sell all. Right, now we need to buy some plywood for this. So what we want is this stuff, plasterboard. Right, now we need, I don't know how many we need. I'll buy 30, okay? And then we'll put it here, 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 here. Okay, and then here, 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 and here. Now the next thing we need, well, now you don't put it on this, you're probably wondering why is it not coming up here? Because we need to put more insulation in. So now we need this rock wool insulation, okay? And we'll let's buy 30 of those, just because we can, right? So now, I forgot to do the screwing, god damn. All of it? Yeah. There we go, so now we can place in the insulation. And I probably bought way too much, but it doesn't matter. Of course, when the game's fully out, you'll need to... There, see, done. And then we need to put more board on. Okay, that's that done. Now this bit here, this is going to be a concrete wall, which means we need some cement. Okay, now you can do this by trowel, or you can grab it and move it over. Now the thing is, it's probably better just to do it by the trail, because remember, if it's on your trail, it uses it from here anyway. Which means that, oh, something I forgot. I know what I forgot. Damp course. We need some damp course. Now this we do need a lot of. I'm just going to buy 50. Yeah, we needed 45. So now it's another brick course, and exactly as it was before, but this time we're using these blocks, so we'll just buy 100 straight out. I don't know if that's how many I need. That scaffolding doesn't fit in here. So what we have instead is one of these. Okay, which can be rotated around. If you hold right click and then move the mouse, you can spin it to whatever direction you want. You can put it there. Can we reach you? Yes. Done. There. Now, you'll notice... Actually, you won't notice because it hasn't come up. Oh yeah, roof. Then we have to buy a roof plan. Okay, so with the roof plan, you have to go to roof and you buy this plan. So you buy one of these plans. Okay. And then the best thing to do is probably come up to wherever the height of your roof, because then you can put this, and you're looking at the plan, it will put the plan on, and you can raise or higher it, you can make it, you know, whatever height you like. So let's do it there. We'll confirm it there. Okay, now we need roof beams, so we're back to roofs. We need these beams, right? We're going to buy 50. I don't know how many we need, but we'll buy 50, right? And then you need round the edge. If you do this like in a uniform style, you won't get confused. So best thing to do is just do it round the edge first. Get that done. Get all round the edge done, and then you know you've not missed any, like that, right? I mean, you can do them however you want, but Right, I think that's pretty much it. So make sure you're not inside when you do to put the last one on, because you'll have problems if you do that, because this is a solid object. Although it's not actually down yet, this is a solid object. If you're inside when you put the last one on, you'll get stuck in. Well, you won't. There is a way out. I think there's an unstuck somewhere, but I'm not sure where it is. Anyway, roofs. So now we want roof tiles. So let's get. I'm just going to buy 100 of them. And I generally try to do all of these bits first and leave the caps to last. If you was building a real house, you wouldn't put the caps on before you put the rest on. Just wouldn't happen. And now I'm going to leave one of these off because I'm going to need to make a thumbnail, and I want to use the house that we built. So I'm going to try and get a screenshot of the house we built. Okay, great. So what we do is we'll put this on. We'll leave this one off for now. And there's a reason for that. We get all these on. Look at that. Look, it's looking cool, right? Looking pretty good. So let's go back to our hand. Right, we're going to move this. We'll actually just put this inside because it gets it out of the way. Now, to get rid of the scaffolding, if you use your drill on it, it'll actually dismantle it and then it will disappear. Okay. And then you can come back here like this. For instance, and you can take a nice screenshot. Right, so there's a screenshot, and now to finish it off, we're going to put up the scaffolding again, because otherwise I can't get up there. It doesn't really matter where it goes. Climb back up the ladder. And now you'll see why I didn't do that other one before. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. Did I miss a piece? I did miss a piece. Look, missed one bit. Okay, that's fine. We only need the one. And that is why I didn't want to do it. So thank you for participating in the performance playtest. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that was pretty informative for you. Catch you later. Bye.